Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Because my voice is clear to all of you guys. Guys, is my voice is clear to all of you guys? Right, fine. Right. Good afternoon, guys. And check it what we completed in the last session. So I think so in the last class just we started Java programming format. We started Java programming format. That is not the steps to prepare first Java application. Just we started what there Java programming format. All right. All right. So now let's understand what we completed there in the last classes. If we have to this in a Java programming format, overall, how many phases are available there? 5 phases. Tell me what are the 5 phases there? Come on. What are the 5 phases there? First one is what there? Comment section. Second one is package section. Next one is what there? Import section. Classes or interfaces section. Then after that, main class section. These are overall 5 sections what we are having. Out of all the 5 sections, how many of them are optional and how many of them are mandatory? First four are what there? Optional. Last one is what there? Mandatory. Right. After this, already we started with the comment section. What exactly the meaning of comment section here? In Java application development, before writing our code, first we have to provide some description about our code, where the description includes author name, that means developer name, modules information, and project details, client information if it is possible. All these details we have to provide. To provide these details, we have to use comment section. There we have to use what their comments. Then immediately we understood there are three types of comments here. Before this, I want to add a small point about this comment. What exactly the meaning of comment? What is this comment actually? If you observe this comment here, the definition, no? All right, sir. Non-executable part in a Java program is called comment. Unexecutable part or non-executable part in a Java program, that is what their comment. It is not going to be executed. If you provide something, some comments there, it is not going to be executed. Next one, how many types of comments are available there? Three types of comments. What are the three types of comments in Java? Single line comment, multi-line comment, documentation comment. Single line comment is what there? It allows the description in a single line. Syntax is what there? Two slashes and some description. Right, example here we provided like this. Multi-line comment, it allows the description in more than one line. It allows the description in more than one line. So syntax is what this slash star. Then what next one here? Some description here we have to provide. Then after that, like this. Okay, star slash. Example here we provided clearly. Next one is documentation comment. It allows the description in more than one page. Syntax you are given slash double star. Every line should start with what there? Star. Then star slash. Next one is documentation comments are used mainly in API documentation creation or preparation, but it will take more time to prepare API documentation with the documentation comment. To simplify the API documentation creation, Java has provided a predefined command in the form of Java doc command. There's a predefined command. That predefined command is what there? Java doc. All right, sir. What is this API documentation? I've given some clarity. API documentation is a Docker file or a text file or a PDF file or an HTML file. It will provide the complete information or a description about the programming elements like classes, interfaces, variables, methods, and so on, which we have used in a Java application. Which variables, which methods, which classes, which interfaces, and so on, which we have used in our Java application. About that elements, some description is provided by API documentation. To provide a description for predefined libraries, Sun Microsystems has provided predefined documentation in the form of HTML files with the below link. Either we can understand Sun Microsystems, or nowadays it is what their Oracle Corporation. Either it is Sun Microsystems or Oracle Corporation. Initially, Java was maintained by Sun Microsystems. Later on, Java is available with what their Oracle Corporation. All right, so now this is the link here we are given there. If we click on this link, or if we keep this link in the browser, automatically we are able to get Java 8 version documentation, API documentation. To prepare API documentation for our application, we have to use the Java docker tool or command. It will provide the API documentation in the form of what files there? HTML files. Just for the sake of your awareness, I prepared a small program. d:/java 430 employee.java. There inside this public class employee we have taken, where some properties here we have taken, and some setters and maybe some constructors we have taken. After that, some methods I have taken there. Almost on 4 properties, 5 constructors, and 4 methods I have taken overall. Then for them, we are able to provide documentation here just by using a command. What is the command here we have to use there? Java doc employee.java. Java doc space employee.java. That everything is provided clearly. Understand it now. All right, sir. After completion of this, there we understood like what there. One more note I given there. What is that note here I given? Out of all the comments, only documentation comments of provided data will be included in the API documentation, which was generated from the Java doc command. Out of all the comments, only documentation comments provided data will be included in the API documentation. Right? That information also I shown there clearly. For ENO, single comment, single line comment. For ENAME, multi-line comment. And for ECell, documentation comment I provided. Similarly, for zero argument constructor, single line comment. For int parameters constructor, one, that means multi-line comment. And for two parameters constructor, documentation comment I have given. Like this, similarly for methods also, add method, single line comment, search method, multi-line comment, and for update method, documentation comment here we provided there clearly. We can understand it now. Like this, here we provided the content. Finally, if I provide Java doc space employee.java, out of all the 3 types of comments now, only what comment provided data will be included in the API documentation there? Only documentation comments provided data will be included inside the documentation comment. Right, sir. Next one is what? After this, to provide a description in a Java applications, JDK 1.5 version or Java 1.5 version has provided a feature in the form of, what is that feature? They now tell me annotations. Then immediately we have a question. What was that question here? In Java applications, to provide description, already we have comments. Then what is the requirement to use annotations? There are given some clarity. What are the points that are given there? In Java applications, if we provide description along with the comments, then lexical analyzer will remove the provided comments and its description as part of tokenization in the compilation process. So comments and its description is available to the Java programs up to .java files only, not available at .class files and at runtime of our application. Right, sir. As per the requirements, like to simplify debugging process maybe, or to simplify testing process maybe, or in server side applications, in Hibernate applications, or in Spring applications, in different applications. In all the cases, we have to bring the description up to .class files, up to .java files, up to .class files, and up to runtime of our applications. It is a requirement. Right. To bring description or metadata up to .java file, up to .class file, and up to runtime of our applications, there we have to use what their annotations over the comments. So that's the requirement to go for what their annotations can. Understand my point here? If we provide description along with the comments, then developer can read the description. Developer cannot access the description. Only if we provide some data along with the comments, no, just we can see the comment, we can see the description. That's it. We are unable to access the description programmatically. If you want to access the description programmatically through program, if you want to read the description there we have to use what their annotations. Without annotations, we are unable to read the description here. If we provide the description with the comments, leave this one. Then immediately we are getting one more question. What was that question here we are getting there? In Java applications to provide description at runtime of our applications, already we have XML documents. Then what is the requirement to use what their annotations? That means now the comparison is going on with what their annotations and XML documents. See, if you want to provide description at runtime, already we have the concepts like what their XML documents. We can use that XML documents. Then what is the requirement to go for annotations? There is a question. Your answer is very clear. What is that answer? No. If we use XML documents in Java applications, then we are able to get the following problems. What are the various problems here we are able to get there? All Java developers must learn XML technology. Yes, sir. All Java developers must learn what their XML technology. Basically, XML is not Java. XML is in outside of the Java. But still, if you want to learn, if you want to use XML documents in our applications, there we must use what their XML document. That's the point here. Every time we have to check whether the XML document is in a well-formed format or not. Every time we have to check whether the XML document is in a well-formed format or not. That is extra work for the developers. Every time we have to check whether the XML documents are provided at proper locations or not. If not, we are able to get file not found exceptions. We are able to get what exceptions there? No, file not found exceptions. If that XML file is not available at a respective location, proper location there we are able to get some exception like what there? File not found exception we are able to get. Next one is, every time we have to check whether we are using right parsing mechanism or not to read data from XML documents. Right, sir? Why? Because to read data from XML documents, we have to use parsing mechanisms. So many parsing mechanisms are available, but some parsing mechanisms are applicable for some situations. Some other parsing mechanisms are applicable for some other situations. So which parsing mechanism is suitable for our XML document, then what we are going to use, that totally depending on our decision there. So by the time we have to check whether we are using right parsing mechanism or not to read the data. Right, sir. Then what next one here? To overcome all the problems, we need a Java alternative. That Java alternative is what their annotations. The Java alternative is what their annotations. That's it. Now this is what exactly the point here we understood about like what their overall requirement of the annotations and the intention of these annotations clearly. That's it. I think up to this part we completed in the last sessions. Clear or not? Now understand the next point here. We understood clearly XML and annotation, the differences now. XML in the sense developers have to put some efforts if we want to use XML documents for our Java applications, but without having any efforts we can use what their annotations. That's the point here. So because of that reason here, what is the point I'm telling here? One note type of point here I'm telling to you. Now try to observe this clearly. What is the note type of point now? In Java J2EE applications, all of you observe carefully. In Java J2EE applications, annotations are the best replacement for the XML documents. Annotations are the best replacements for what their XML documents. In Java J2EE applications, annotations are the best replacement for what their XML documents. But still I'm getting a question now. Still I'm in confusion. Which technologies are using XML and which technologies are using annotations? I want to know that. Which technologies are using XML still? Which technologies are using annotations? Just I want to know that. For that purpose, I want to give clear-cut message. No, XML-based technologies. XML-based technologies. Similarly, annotation-based technologies. Annotation-based technologies. Here annotation based technologies are what their XML is optional. XML is what they're optional. We can understand. Annotations are utilized in the sense, don't think about it. Totally XML files are removed. Mention my point here. We have some technologies are supporting annotations in the sense, what's the meaning of it? No, Meaning is what there? Observe carefully. Meaning is optional cases here I'm telling there. Optional cases. What are optional here? No. XML is optional. In the case of annotations, no. XML is what there? Optional. All of you get my point or not? If any technology is supporting annotations in the sense, the meaning is what there? Not restricted 100%ly XML. XML is what there? Optional. Optional. Still, even after availability of annotations, still if we want to use XML documents, then we can use. Get my point or not? But not suggestible. Once annotations are available, not suggestible to use XML documents. Still, if you want to use XML documents, then we can use. Go ahead for it. No problem for that. So like this, I'm giving some clarity. Now try to understand it. Some technologies are purely XML and some other technologies are purely what they're annotations. First one here I'm telling to you, observe carefully. Up to JDK 1.4 version, it's purely XML. In any case, if we are using XML there XML we can use. Right from JDK 1.5 version onwards, which content is available here? No, annotations are available that we have to use. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. This is number one. Next one is what there? JDBC 3.0 version. Up to that, XML is required. In one or two cases, you may use XML. But right from JDBC 4.0 version onwards, annotations that we are able to use. Next one is servlets 2.5 version. That is what the XML based servlets version. I'm telling there 2.5 version. That is what their XML based. Next one is what their servlets 3.x version onwards. Annotations are provided. Then here itself I'm telling there servlets 3.x version annotations are provided. Am I right or not? But in right from servlet 3.x version, even though annotations are available, still we can use what their XML documents. But again, I'm telling there using XML documents are not suggestible in the availability of annotations. When annotations are available, then not suggestible to use what their XML documents. Always it is suggestible to use what their annotations if annotations are available. But still, if you have any specific requirement, I don't want to go for annotations. Even the annotations are suggestible. Still, my configurations are very simple with XML documents. If you have any such kind of cases, then we have to use what their XML documents only. Yes, sir. All of you get my point or not? This is a clear-cut information here. We have to understand now. All right, sir. Then after this, after completion of this, another one is like what there after completion of which. Next one is some frameworks are available. Struts 1.x version is purely XML based. Struts 2.x version is what their annotation based. JSF 1.x version is a purely XML based. Next one is a JSF 2.x version is purely what their annotation based. After completion of this, EJB's 2.x version is purely XML based. Now here we can understand EJB's 3.x version is purely annotation based. Then after this, Hibernate 3.2.5. Right, sir. I think so. 3.2.4. I think so. Up to this is what their XML based. After this, Hibernate 3.2.5 version onwards, annotation based. Next one is after that, Spring 2.4 version. Up to that, it is what their XML based. But Spring 2.5 version are completely, if you want to get the complete support for annotations there, we can understand what their 3.x version onwards. 2.5 version is okay. Little bit annotations are introduced, one or two only. But in 3.x version, completely annotation based. Okay, better. I want to say like what their complete support is available right from what their 3.x version onwards, we can understand. Like this, so many points are existed, so many technologies are available. Guys, observe carefully one list here I'm giving to you. All of you understand this one simple list I have given there totally. How these are which technologies are supporting annotations and which technologies are supporting like XML documents are given there. One simple observation to all of you guys, observe carefully. All right, sir. Understand it clearly. All of you observe carefully. If you observe these version numbers, no, all the technologies, version numbers, if you observe this, all older technologies are what there XML, but all newer technologies are what there annotation based. Yes, sir. Got it or not? All the old technologies are what there XML based. All the newer technologies are what there annotation based. So annotations are the trending. At present, annotations are what they're effectively utilized in the technologies. They are the trending content. Means that another point I'm telling here, for example, nowadays in outside, if you go for any project, every project is going on with Spring Boot microservices in a Java related. In Java related, every project is going on with what they're Spring Boot with the microservices and Spring Boot. These two things are going on. If we prepare any application in a Spring Boot and microservices, there only what we have there, we are having only annotations. Only annotations. No XML concepts. They have removed XML. But XML is not removed totally. In one or two cases, we have to use XML. That case are different. I will discuss with you later on. But the point is what there in Spring Boot microservices, that is the latest content. Every project is going on with this only now at present at nowadays now. So which are going on with what their annotations. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? So that's because of the reason annotations are more powerful than what their XML documents at present up to this Java applications. That's good. That's it, guys. Now this is about like what the comparison between XML documents and as well as what their annotations. All right. Now tell me again here, how many phases are available? How many phases are available in Java programming format? No, 5 phases are available. What are the 5 phases there? Comment section, package section, import section, classes or interfaces section, main class section. They are the 5 phases now. Please try to remember the points now. Maybe on tomorrow, I'm thinking about to conduct the exam there, but small change in the schedule, not on tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, on Saturday, we are going to have an exam up to this introduction part. Guys, all of you are getting it now. But I think some of you started with like Java features onwards. How many questions you have? We can write that questions there. No need to think about it, right? So those who are right from this Java history onwards, no, then we can write that exam. Then anyway, I'm going to conduct that exam. Now try to participate in that on Saturday at ASTIS in our class timing 4:30. I'm going to conduct some exam there. Everybody has to attend for it. Everybody has to write exam up to how much you are aware. As a first exam, no restrictions for it, just for the sake of your awareness. On every topic, I'm planning to conduct exams. On every topic, once introduction is completed, one exam. In a first application development, one exam. Language fundamentals, an exam. In WOOPs, nearly 3 exams I'm going to conduct on only object orientation. Nearly 150 bits I'm going to give, 150 bits on only WOOPs concepts. Already we had the paper. Already some other batches that exams are going on there. Okay, so try to prepare parallelly. Whatever the concepts I have given there, try to prepare. Whatever the document I'm giving, just try to prepare this document. From this documentation, we are going to get questions in our exam. First of all, thorough with this document. Once you are completed this document, then we can check about the other content here. But I'm sure about it. This approach, this kind of content, you may not identify in any other resources. Why? Because this theory and this content is totally my analysis part. I am preparing this total analysis part. For the sake of the students' benefit, I prepared everything in my own way. It may not be available at any other resources now. That's why then this is a final document for you. Okay, try to prepare this document properly. Every day study this document. Day after tomorrow, definitely there is an exam for you. Once I'm waiting to complete the Java programming format. Remaining 4 phases, if I complete now, they are simple phases only. Maybe today and tomorrow I may take time to complete the total remaining part, and day after tomorrow directly examination. Directly on Saturday we can come for the exam, not for the sake of the class. Maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour examination duration is going to be happen. Try to come here, then try to write that exam there. Don't worry. No restrictions for this first exam here. Even I'm not going to put consider about your how many marks you are getting and all these things. Just namesake. First of all, check your knowledge, how much you are aware. Some bits are might be well known to you. Then try to keep that bits there. Try to give some answers there. By that you are able to get some clarity where we are and what we are. how much you prepared for the completed topics, no, that we can understand it now. Okay, and this is a first step for the sake of exams, so don't miss that. Okay, but let me complete this total podcast, then after that only I'm going to conduct this podcast. Right, sir. Let's come for the next point. All right, sir. Now let's understand the content clearly. So finally, what we completed here, comment section here we completed. Clear to all of you? Comment section we completed. Next one, after this, after understand this comment section, next one is what there, package section. Right, sir. What is this next one here? No, package section. Right, sir. All of you are understanding this, no? Package section. What exactly the meaning of package section? What you are understanding about this package section? First of all, tell me, before understanding package section in Java, what is a package? Before understanding package section, first you have to understand what is a package. Now tell me guys, what is the definition of the package? No? Right, exactly. Perfect. Package is the collection of classes and interfaces as a single unit. Clear? This is definition one I'm giving there. Package is what there? Package is a collection of classes and interfaces as a single unit. Observe carefully. This is the very first definition here I'm giving there. Observe carefully. Next one, after this. Second definition here I'm telling there. Try to understand it, all of you know. What is that second definition there? Listen carefully. This definition is important. In the future, we require this definition. Package is a folder. Come again. What is this package? No, package is a folder. Contains dot class of files. Contains what there? Dot class of files. Before this, package, first definition, understand it, no? Package is the collection of classes and interfaces set, you know, their small change. Related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Related, definitely. I'll talk with you, don't worry for it. Package is a folder, contains a dot class files, normal folder. In our operating system, we are creating folder. Right click a new folder. Package is a folder, contains dot class files representing related classes and interfaces. Right, sir. Now these are the two definitions here we have to understand. Come again, what are the definitions for packages? No, package is a collection of related classes and interfaces as a single unit. Second definition is what there? Package is a folder containing dot class files representing related classes and interfaces. Sir, all of you are getting clarity or not? Nothing, very simple definition we can understand now. Right, sir. After this, what are the advantages of these packages? Okay, fine. Packages definitions here we understood that. But what are the advantages of these packages? No. If you observe these advantages here, few advantages are available. The very first one is like what there? Modularization or modularity. Anyway, simple examples I'm telling there. My intention is not to discuss complete information about packages immediately. Part of the Java programming format, I'm discussing what their packages. Sir, got it or not? Part of the Java programming format, I'm discussing packages. My intention is not to discuss total packages immediately, but try to understand it now. Say for example, in a Java programming, if we take the best example, Java programming now, I want to perform input and output operations, IO operations, dynamic input I want to take, dynamically some output I want to generate, getting data, sending data, these operations I want to perform. To perform these operations, we require some library or not? Some predefined libraries required or not to perform this input and output operations? No. Exactly. The required predefined library was provided in a separate package. So we can understand it is a module. That separate package is what there? Java.io package. The Java.io package is able to pack all classes and interfaces which are required to perform input and output operations. So they're available in a separate folder or not? That separate package or not? This is treated as a separate module. That's one point here. Say for example, data structures we know in general, data structures, stack, queue, linked list, and this kind of data structures there. All the data structures are represented in Java in a separate package. All data structures are provided in Java in a separate package. That package is what there, java.util. It is a separate module again. It is a separate package now. Understand my point or not? For example, I want to interact with the database from Java application. To interact with the database from Java application, again we require some predefined library. That predefined library was provided by Java in a separate package. That package is what there, java.sql. It is a separate module. Now observe carefully, the total predefined library is divided into the number of modules or not, number of packages or not, where each and every package is representing one module. Packages are providing what their modularization. Packages are providing what their modularization. Their description is not required immediately. Just I'm giving names and oral explanation I'm telling that try to understand up to now. Again, we have a separate topic packages, no? Almost all might be 7 to 8 hours of time I need to spend for this packages topic in the future. There we are going to see the content effectively. But at present, just we are understanding like what there modularity. What is the meaning of modularity? A collection of classes and interfaces are provided in a single folder that is treated as a module. Like this, number of packages are available, number of modules are available in a Java application. So packages are able to improve modularity. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? That's one point, guys. Next one is after this, after completion of this, another content is like what there abstraction. Another advantage is what there abstraction. Another advantage is like what there abstraction. What is this abstraction actually? What is the meaning of this abstraction here? What you are understand about this abstraction here? No. Right, sir. Everybody understand my point here. What is the meaning of this abstraction? No. Right, sir. For example, package is a folder, right? Package is a folder which contains .class files. This folder is a hiding its internal classes and interfaces or not? This package is a hiding its internal content or not? Hiding internal content is called as what there abstraction. What is the meaning of abstraction there? No, hiding internal content. Hiding the content is called as what there abstraction. So finally, packages are hiding their internal declarations or not? Classes and interfaces are provided in a separate folder, separate package. No, means that they are hidden by a package or folder. So their abstraction here we are able to get. That is another one here. Next one is another one is like what there security. Security packages are able to provide what there security. How sir? How can you say security is an advantage here? No. Again, the another point here we have to understand. Now try to recognize this. How can you decide that security is available here? Answer is very clear. Try to observe this clearly, all of you know. Wherever abstraction is available, wherever modularization is available, there automatically security will come. Why? Because abstraction is nothing but what they're hiding its internal content or not. Abstraction in the sense what they're hiding something. Hiding something in the sense protecting something or not. Protecting something in the sense automatically security we are achieving or not. So automatically another advantage of this abstraction is what another advantage of this package is what their security, not more than this. First of all, modularization is what their total predefined library is divided into the number of blocks, where each and every block is nothing but what there a module that is represented in the form of a separate package. Got or not? Next one is abstraction. Module is hiding its internal content. So automatically what we are getting there abstraction we are able to achieve. Hiding internal content in the sense protecting internal content. When protection is coming there, automatically what is coming there? No, security is coming. So security is an advantage of what their package is. Sir, all of you are following or not? All right, sir. Next one after this security. Another important point. Another one is like what there shareability. Another advantage is what there shareability. Observe carefully. What is the meaning of the shareability? Listen carefully. Java predefined library is one copy. When I install Java software, Java predefined library is available. How many copies of Java predefined library is available? Only one copy or not? One copy of Java predefined library is available. When I install Java software, predefined library will come. One copy of predefined library is available. Good. By using single JVM, by using single Java software, how many applications we can run at a time? No, more than one application we can run or not? Multiple applications we can run at a time. Am I right or not? Java is a multi-threaded or single-threaded? Come on, multi-threaded or single-threaded? Multi-threaded. What's the meaning of multi-threaded? No, more than one task are executing parallelly or not? Simply speaking, more than one program is running parallelly. But Java software is single. Single copy of Java predefined library is available, but multiple programs are running at a time or not? That is single copy shared to multiple programs or not? Every program requires Java predefined library. Single copy of Java predefined library is shared with the multiple projects or not? Multiple programs or not? So where automatically shareability is coming or not? So the Java predefined library in the sense packages, no? Java.io, Java.util, Java.lang, or Java. Like what there, something else, util package or Java.sql package, Java.awt, Java.net. All these are what, they're Java packages. No, the copy of single copy of predefined library in the sense collection of these packages. No, the collection of these packages are available in a single copy. They will be shared to multiple programs there at a time. No, so automatically shareability is coming or not? So packages are able to provide shareability or not? No response, guys. All right, sir. Now, then after this, another one is what there? Reusability. Reusability, another advantage. Reusability. What is the meaning of this reusability now? For our better understanding, I'm telling one more point. Observe carefully. For example, 70 to 80 members are attending this class now. Example, I'm taking there. Understand my point now. 70 to 80 members are attending in this class. Okay, fine. How many trainers are teaching Java now? Myself is only one. I have only one copy of Java. Now I'm having only one copy. But the single copy of Java I'm sharing to all of you or not? My single copy of knowledge I'm sharing to everybody or not? At a time I'm sharing to everybody or not? This is a shareability. When I'm talking about Java, we are listening it, we are grasping the knowledge. So this is shareability. At a time, multiple members, I'm sharing my knowledge. This is shareability. Similarly, single copy of Java library is shared to multiple Java programs at a time. So shareability we are getting now. But what is the meaning of reusability? What is the meaning of reusability? Observe carefully. I will take another example. Try to understand it now. Now tell me, guys, all of you know, how many copies of Java is available with me? Only one copy. Core Java is only one copy with me. Am I right or not? If you observe my schedules there, morning to evening, morning 7 to 8:30 one slot, 8:30 to 10 another one, 10 to 11:30, 11:30 to 1 four slots. Again, maybe at present I'm starting your classes with 4:30, but in the future maybe at 3 o'clock, 3 to 4:30. Next one is 4:30 to 6, so 6 to 7:30, 7:30 to 9. Of course, some other online classes are available up to 11 o'clock. That's okay, different issue. Leave it. Overall, 8 batches I'm taking or not? 8 batches I'm taking there. But how many copies of Java is available with me? One copy. Same Java knowledge I'm sharing at 7 to 8:30. Same Java information I'm reusing at 8:30 to 10. Same Java knowledge I'm reusing at 10 to 11:30. In all my 8 batches, I'm reusing the same Java knowledge or not? Single copy of Java is available again and again, again and again. I'm reusing the same content or not? Not at a time, of course. In multiple batches, I'm reusing the same knowledge or not? So this is called as what their reusability. Yes, sir, got it or not? This is exactly called as what their reusability. Similarly, single copy of Java predefined library is available. Program 1 I executed where we have used single copy of the Java library. Program 1 is got executed, leave it now. Program 2 is executing now. Again, program 2 is required same what there? Java predefined library. Again, it is reused to the application 2 or not? Next to application 3, application 4. All applications are reusing the same Java copy or not? That predefined library is nothing but packages only. Java predefined library is nothing but what their packages only, but single copy of package is reused by multiple Java programs at a different times or not? Come on, guys, understand my point here. So this is called as what their reusability. So got the difference between shareability and reusability? No, single copy will be shared to multiple programs at a time. That is shareability. Reusability is what their single copy is used by multiple programs one after another. Single copy is reused by multiple programs one after another. That is exactly called as what their reusability. Clear? So packages are able to provide reusability also. Guys, now I'm asking one question to you. In package section, 2 points here we understood clearly. Can you tell me what are the definitions for this package? No. Package is a collection of related classes and interfaces as what there? Single unit. Then what next one here? Package is a folder containing .class files representing related classes and interfaces. Then what next one here? No. Advantages. What are the advantages of this package? No. Modularity, abstraction, security, right, shareability. Then what next one here? Reusability. Right, so now these are the alright, sir, various advantages of these packages here we can understand clearly. Right, sir. Then after that, after completion of this now, next one is types of the packages. Types of the packages. There are two types of packages here we are having. Right, sir. Two types of packages here we are having. What are the two types of packages here? First one is, observe carefully. The very first one is like what there? Predefined packages. Second one is user defined packages. Right, sir. Only two types of packages are existed. What are the two types of packages? No, predefined packages, and second one is what there? User defined packages. All right. Now let's see this one here. Predefined packages. What are the predefined packages here? We have to understand these points clearly. Understand it clearly. These packages are defined by the Java programming language and provided along with Java software. Tell me, sir, what are the predefined packages? No, these packages are defined by the Java programming language. Java provider, Sun Microsystems. Java programming language has defined these packages and provided along with what their Java software. When we install Java software, automatically predefined packages are coming. Automatically predefined packages are available when we install our Java software. For the sake of you, I'm giving some examples. No, what are the various examples I'm giving there? Java.io. Next one is a Java.util, and maybe next one is like what there. After this Java.sql. Like so many, and so on and so on and so on. So many packages are available. Sorry. All right, sir. These are about like what their predefined packages. All right, next one. After this, what about this user-defined packages? No, user-defined packages. What we are understanding about user-defined packages? Observe carefully. Predefined packages are defined by whom? Java programming language. Java providers provided along with the Java software. But user-defined packages, these packages are, listen carefully, these packages are defined by the developers. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. As per their application requirements. That's it. Come again, what's the point I'm telling there? User-defined packages, these packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. That's clear. Now tell me, how many types of packages are available? Two types of packages. What are the two types of packages? No, predefined packages and user-defined packages. What is this predefined packages? No, these packages are defined by the Java programming language and provided along with the Java software. But what about this user-defined packages? No, these packages are defined by the developers. These packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirement. They are defined, they are going to be provided at the time of development only, not available along with Java software. At the time of writing the code only, that packages are going to be defined. Sir, got it or not? Right, sir. Then after that, okay, predefined packages are already existed. How to use them we are going to understand. Predefined packages are already existed, then we are understanding how to use them. We are going to understand it. But these user defined packages, developers have to define packages or not? Developers, see, who is going to define these user defined packages? No, developers. But how developers are going to define these user defined packages? No, Predefined packages are already defined. So we are not going to think how to define them. Just we are going to think how to use them. But in the case of user-defined packages, no, who is going to define these user-defined packages? No, developers are defining user-defined package. But my question is, how to define user-defined packages? How to use them in our applications? That we have to understand. All right, now all of you observe carefully. To define user-defined packages, observe carefully. To define user-defined packages, Java has provided a keyword. Java has provided a keyword in the form of Java has provided a predefined keyword in the form of package. In the form of what? There package. That means in the form of a package keyword. By using this package keyword, we can define user-defined packages. Okay. Now, what is the syntax of it? Now, try to understand this clearly. Syntax. If you observe this syntax, no, package name semicolon. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? What is the syntax? Can now tell me? Package name. That is the syntax we can understand. Right. I'm giving clarity. Now try to understand it. No, where package name may be. Listen carefully. Package name I'm telling you, there is a constraint. Package name may be a single name. Package name may be a single name or the combination of the parent package name and child package name, and the combination of the parent package name or child package name. Yes, sir. Come for this point here, where package name may be a single name or the combination of the parent package name and the child package name. It may be combination of this parent package name, child package name with the dot separator. With what there? Dot separator. What is the separator, sir? Now tell me. Dot separator. Right. I will give syntaxes. No need to worry for it. Example, I am telling to you. Observe carefully. What is that example here? I am telling there. Package P. That's it. Package what there? P. That's it. Single name. That package name is what there? Single name. Right or not? Another example I am telling to you. Observe carefully. Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. Package P1 dot P2 dot P3. What is the meaning of it? No. P1 is what their parent package name. P2 is what their child package name. And P2 is the parent for P3. P3 is what their child package for P2. P1 is the parent. P2 is a child for P1 and at the same time parent to the P3. P3 is a child for what their P2. Yes, so the structure is provided in this way or not? Right, P1, P2 and P3. In this way the structure was provided clearly. Simple, sir, nothing else. P1 is a folder. Package is a folder or not? P1 is what their folder. Inside the P1 folder, what is available here? P2 folder. Inside this P2 folder, what is available here? P3 folder is available. Inside the P3, some classes and interface are going to be provided in the form of dot class files. So this is a way to declare what their package statements. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? What I'm telling to you now. Right, sir? I think you are not concentrated properly. Yeah. No, besides. Red color t-shirt. Yeah. You, that middle one, and this blue color t-shirt. Continuously we are having discussions inside the classes. Right, sir? Want to listen or not? Fine. Otherwise, I'll give punishment. 1,000 rupees punishment. Fine. Otherwise, I'll ask 5 Java questions to you. If you answer for it, then you are eligible to talk in my classes there. No problem. 5 Java questions you have to answer. Can I ask no? Can I ask no? Come here, front chair. You, especially, come here, no problem. No problem here. Come here, I want to check you. Come this front chair. What is the problem? You are very good student, I know. Then all concepts you understood properly previously, but today you are continuously discussing there. And that blue t-shirt, you also come. Then yesterday you sat there at this line there. But why you sit at back bench now? Back chairs are not good always. Again, you are sitting side by side. What's the meaning of it? Come there, some distance you have to maintain. I have girlfriend? No? Fine. All right, sir. See, in general, when girlfriends are available, then only discussions are going on there. Otherwise, people are going to understand subject properly. Right, sir. Good. Shall we talk now? Shall we discuss now? Right. Now let's move on to the punch can. Then what exactly the point I'm telling there? How many types of packages are available now? Tell me. Tell me. What are the how many types of packages are available? Two types of packages. What are the two types of packages? No. Predefined packages, and second one is what there? User defined packages. Good. Tell me what are these predefined packages? No. These packages are defined by the Java programming language and provided along with the Java software. See why I'm repeating these many times now. Definitely these definitions are required in the future. This point, this is the basic, very foundation, fundamental. Still my intention is not to talk about packages completely. So very good content is available in packages now. Just a basics. At least these are the basic terminology in Java. What is a package? How many types of packages are available? What advantages are available? The minimum programming element in Java is what their package only. That's why I'm repeating all these points now. Clear. What are the examples for these predefined packages? No, java.io, java.util, java.sql, and so on. Tell me, what is this user defined packages? No, these packages are defined by the developers as per their application requirements. To define user defined packages, Java has provided a keyword in the form of what their package. What is the syntax I've given there? Package name. Right, so there I given one point here. What is the point I've given there? Now tell me, where package name may be a single name or the combination of the parent package name and child package name with what separator there? Dot separator. Example I've given. Package P. Here, how many names I've used there? Single name. But here, how many names I've used there? Three names. Now tell me the relation between P1, P2, and P3. P1 is a parent to P2, P2 is a parent to P3, P3 is a child to P2, P2 is a child to P1. That means simply P1 is a folder. Inside the P1 folder, P2 folder. Inside the P2 folder, P3 folder. In that way, nested folders are created. That's the meaning of this package. That means parent name and child name there. Sir, got it or not clearly? That's okay, fine. This is a way to define this package declaration statement. But observe carefully. To use package declaration statements in a Java file, to use package declaration statements in Java file, we have to follow the below conditions. We must use the following conditions. That means we have to follow the following conditions. What conditions can we have to follow there? Observe carefully. Point number one. Everybody must understand it. After this, one interview question is available. We have to answer for this interview question. But the first one is what there? Package declaration statement. That means this one, these statements only. I'm talking there. Package declaration statement. These statements only. Package declaration statement must be the first statement in a Java file. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it now? Package declaration statement must be the first statement in the Java file. It should not be second statement. It should not be third statement. It must be first statement. Of course, after the comment section, I'm talking there. Comment section is not recognizable. We cannot treat it as a statement. Why? Because it's an executable part only. Just as a description. The count for programming will start from which section? They know package section. Comment section only for the sake of what the description, for our understanding purpose only. Actually, it will not start what there, that actual content. Actual programming will start with which statement? No, package statement. So that's why I'm telling there, package declaration statement must be the first statement in the Java file. This is number one, point number one. Now I'm asking one more question. Now try to answer for it, guys. Try to answer for this one. All of you, observe carefully. Package is a folder or not? Package is a folder or not? Contains dot class files representing related class and interfaces. That's okay. First of all, package is what there is a folder. Clear? Understand this. Package is a folder. Good. Is it possible to provide same name for multiple folders? In a single location, more than one folder is having any single name. Is it possible? Is it possible to provide same name for two folders? Folder A I created. Again, is it possible to create another folder with the name A? No, not possible. So what's the point I'm telling there? Package names must not be shareable. Package names must not be shareable and must not be reusable. Must not be what there? Reusable. Sir, got it or not? Package names must not be shareable. Package names must not be reusable. Cannot shareable, cannot reusable. Sir, got my pointer? Must not be shareable, must not be reusable. Right, sir. Package names must be unique. Listen carefully. Here I'm writing there. Package names must be unique. Package names must be unique. Package names must not be shareable or must not be reusable. Right or not? All right, sir. Please read this statement once again. No? What is the first condition here we have to follow? Package declaration statement must be the first statement. Package declaration statement must be the first statement. It must not be second statement or must not be third statement. Now, can I ask a question now? Can I ask a question now? All of you, observe carefully. What is my question here? I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. Guys, understand it clearly. Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Come on, guys. We have to answer for my question there. What is my question here given there? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? What is the answer here? Answer is what? Okay. Before giving answer, please read the statement and give answer now. Read the statement and give answer now. Package statement must be the first statement in a Java file. Then what is the question I've asked there? Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file or not? Say for example, guys, listen carefully. You're all 80 members are available. You're standing one after another in a single line. Am I right? All 80 members are available. One after another. All 80 members are standing in a single line. Am I right? In this line, how many first members are available? Only one or more than one? How many last members are available? Only one. First member should be one. Last member should be one. Now answer for my question now. Is it possible to declare more than one package statement in a single Java file? For example, if I provide more than one package statement, only one is the first one or not? Second package statement is not first one. Third package statement is not first one. But what is the condition for package statements? No. What is the condition for package declaration statement? No. It must be first one or not? It must be first one or not? Right, sir. Still people are not understanding. Now try to understand it. I'll give this example to you. Example code here I'm telling there. Try to understand it. Here my file name is like what there? abc.java. My file name is what there? abc.java. Observe carefully. In abc.java, I'm providing package p1 semicolon, package p2 semicolon, package p3 semicolon. Now tell me, out of all three statements, three package statements are provided. Out of all the three statements, now which one is the first one? Package p1 is the first one. Second one is what there? Package p2. Third one is what there? Package p3. But what is the condition for declaring packages? No, package declaration statement must be what there? First statement. But here, how many statements are given? Three package statements are given, but only first one is what there here? No, valid. Now what about the second one, sir? Now tell me, valid or invalid? No, invalid. This is invalid. It's very clear that package statement should be first statement. It shouldn't be second statement. Now what about the third one? Can now tell me, third one is valid or invalid? No, right, sir, it is an invalid. Third one is like what there? Invalid. Yes, all of you are getting clarity now. First one is what there? Valid. Second and third one are what there? Invalid cases. Yes, sir, all of you are getting my point or not? So because of this reason here, what I am telling to you, observe carefully. Now the answer for this particular question is what there? No. Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Answer is what there? No. Why? Because no, here in the second statement we are getting error. Third statement we are getting error. Only first one is valid. Remaining two are invalid. Invalid in the sense definitely compilation error will come. Get my point or not? Still you are not believing my point now. Something you are thinking there. Example is very clear. This is valid. Remaining two are not valid. Why they are not valid? Package statement must be what statement? No, first statement. Now file name I specified abc.java. The very first statement I have written this one. Up to this is valid. But remaining two are not valid. Why? Because there we have written them as what their second and third one. Because of that reason only that package statement is what their first statement. So this is not possible. Writing more than one package statement in a single Java file is not possible. Always we have to provide what there one package declaration statement. I'm giving one more conclusion. Every Java file at most, every Java file should have at most one package declaration statement. Every Java file should have at most one package statement. Of course, we are thinking about import statements. We can write any number of import statements. I'm not talking about import statement. I'm talking about package statement only. Now the point is very much clear. For some of you know, right, sir? Understand it clearly. The point is like what there. Answer is what there. Import statement is different. Package statement I'm different. Now I'm talking about package statement. So no, it is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why? Because if we provide more than one package statement, if we provide more than one package statement in a single Java file, where we are able to get only one package statement as a first statement, and the remaining package declaration statements are not first statements, that's it. Right, so no, it is not possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file. Why? Because if you provide more than one package statement in a single Java file, where we are able to get only one package statement as a first statement, and the remaining package declaration statements are not first statements, but package declaration statement must be first statement here. Now, that's the point here we have to understand. They immediately have given information there. Package P1 is valid, package P2, package P3 are what their invalid cases. Sir, all of you are getting this question or not? This is damn sure question. For every Java developer, this question will come. So you must be in a position to answer for it. Simple reason, package statement must be first statement. More than one in the sense not possible. If you provide more than one, for example, if you provide 5, out of these 5, only first statement is valid. Remaining 4 statements are invalid. Package declaration statements are not possible to provide more than one. Sir, got it or not? This is what exactly the point here I'm telling there clearly. No. Right, sir. Then after completion of this, listen carefully. What is the next point? I'm telling there conditions. No, for this particular one, I given some points here. Then another one is what there? Package names must be unique or not? Package names must be unique. Package names must not be shareable or must not be reusable. That's nice. Now observe carefully. With respect to that point, I'm telling there to provide package names. To provide package names, Java, listen carefully, to provide package names, Java has provided a convention to provide package names. Java has provided a convention like to include our company domain name in reverse in the package name. Please read out this point here. To provide package name, Java has provided a convention to include our company domain name in reverse in the package name. Example I'm telling there. This is a standard convention. Regularly, even in core Java, I'm going to use the same convention and I'm going to discuss about packages now, right from packages topic. For example, myself is an employee at Durgasoft. Durgasoft is a company. What is the Durgasoft website name actually? www.durgasoft.com. Domain name is what there? Domain name is what there? Durgasoft.com, not www. It's an extension only. Right. Domain name is what there? Durgasoft.com. Reverse it. What is the reverse name? You know? Com.Durgasoft. Com.Durgasoft. Use this name in our package names. That means package com.durgasoft.icc.transactions.deposit semicolon. This is my package name. Right, sir. Observe carefully. I'm going to remove all these things not required here. Right. This is an example here. I'm telling that. Try to observe carefully. What I given that syntax now? Tell me. Package com.durgasoft ICICI.transactions. What next one here? Deposit. Right. Now observe carefully. Com.Durgasoft. What is this actually? This is what their company domain name in reverse. Com.Durgasoft is what their company domain name in reverse. Next one is ICICI. ICICI is what their, it's a project or a client name. ICICI is what their project or client name. Next one is transactions is what their transactions is a module name. In a project, so many modules are available. In a bank application, so many modules are available. Where one of the module is what the transactions. Inside the transactions, deposit is another module. Deposit. What is this deposit actually? This deposit is a sub module name. Is a sub module name. Deposit is what their sub module name. Right, sir. Deposit is what their sub module name. That's it. Overall, in this way, we have to provide what their package names. This is Java has given, of course, syntactically, package P1 is okay valid. Package com.durgasoft.icc.transaction.deposit is also be valid. Both are valid. No difference in that. Both are okay valid. But which one is a convention? Which one is a suggestible? This approach is suggestible. This is a standard approach of giving package names. Again, I'm telling there. Package P1 semicolon still valid syntactically. Nobody will give any compilation about it. It's a valid. At the same time, package com.durgasoft.icc.transaction.deposit is also be valid. Why? Because this is like what I'm telling there. No, this is a standard approach. What Java has given, this culture here we have to follow. As you are the good programmer, definitely we have to follow these conventions. What Java has given, that convention, that conventions we have to follow in our application development. Then only we are the right developer. Of course, if you write package P1 like this, if you provide no, maybe people will think about you are the student in the Java now. But if you want to become as an employee there, then definitely we have to write what there, this kind of conventions there. Nobody will give the package names like P1, P2, P3. Only testing purpose only they can give that. But in the project, in the real-time application development, everybody will give the packages in this format only, in this structure only. Of course, in our core Java also, right from core Java up to full stack Java, up to complete Java, at every point we are going to write like what there, same kind of convention here we are able to provide. Is that all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Now observe carefully the total package section we completed. What section we completed here? Package section. Now I'm going to ask some questions to you. Now try to answer for it. Tell me guys, what is this package? No, come on. Package is the collection of related classes and interface as a single unit. Then what is the second definition of package? Is a folder containing .class files representing related classes and interfaces. What are the advantages of packages? No, modularity, abstraction, security, shareability, reusability. How many types of packages are available? Two types. What are the two types? No, predefined packages, user defined packages. What is predefined package? No, these packages are provided by the Java programming language and provided along with the Java software. What is user defined package? Who are providing user defined packages? No, developers are providing user defined packages. How to declare a user defined package? No, package name. Package name may be what? Either single name or the combination of parent package name and child package name with which separator? Dot separator. To use this package declaration statements in Java applications, two conditions here we have to follow. What is the first condition? Of package statement must be first statement. What is the second condition? No, package name must be unique. Package names must not be shareable or must not be reusable. Is it possible to provide more than one package declaration statement in a single Java file? Possible or not possible? Not possible. If you provide more than one package statement where only first statement is valid, remaining statements are not valid. Why? Because remaining statements are not first statements. Right, sir. Then example I have given. To provide package name, Java has given a convention to include our company domain name in reverse in package name. Right. What is the example I have given there? Package com.durgasoft.icsa.transactions.deposit. Where com.durgasoft is what there? Company domain name in reverse. ICICI is what there? Projector client name. Transactions is what there? Module name. Deposit is what there? Sub module name. These are like what there clearly the packages content here what we are having clearly. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? Right, sir. Then what is the next state? Now tell me how many phases are available in Java programming format now? 5 phases. What are the 5 phases now? First one is what there? Comment section. Next one is what? Package section. Next one is import section. Classes or interfaces section. Main class section. The next one is like what I'm telling to you. Next one is import section. Import section here we are going to understand. Okay, guys. Now anyway, then I want to discuss this topic on tomorrow. Then anyway, it's not going to be completed. Even introduction part also. I need to discuss something else. I want to wind up this session here itself. No, but 10 minutes before I'm leaving this content here, because if I start even that definitions in the middle, we have to stop it. No, tomorrow I'll continue the point here. But one small request, guys, to everybody. Uh, tomorrow, I want to take the class 5. Actually, tomorrow I need to take some demo class for new members there. At the same time, already yesterday I given gap, but I don't want to give again gap to you. So what I'm telling there, tomorrow you have to come here little bit early. Little bit early in the sense, you can think of it maybe at 3:30. Every day we are coming at 4:30 there. Only tomorrow, not every day. Only tomorrow at 3:30. If it is possible, 3:15. It's very happy. Why? Because I need to complete this topic. On Saturday we have to go for exam as per the schedule. I don't want to drag this again and again. That means I have to complete it tomorrow at any cost. Then day after tomorrow I have to conduct what their exam. It's a schedule clearly. I have to follow this. On Sunday anyway, gap I have to give there. Monday onwards I want to start what there completely new topic. The topic is what there steps to prepare first Java program. How to install Java software, how to provide setups in our system there, and everything I have to discuss there. Somewhat interesting topic. The practical way we are going to start effectively. Then the required foundation I've given, I think so. I'm talking about this foundation part here. So tomorrow, if it is possible to come at 3:15, I feel very happy, or at least 3:30. Only 1 hour earlier. If we come there, only tomorrow, not every day. Why? Because at 4:30, some new members will come there on Friday actually. So I need to take some demo class. And every Friday, demos are going to be happen actually. On Friday, I need to take some demo at 4:30. Already it was announced there. I'm unable to change the demo class there, but I'm requesting to everybody tomorrow only 1 hour before. Better to come at 3:15, not like 3:30. Better to come at 3:15. Up to 4:30, I will take your session. I'll complete it. On day after tomorrow, on Saturday, you can come at what time there? No, 4:30 for the sake of exam. Yes, sir. Got it or not? What I'm telling you. So then tomorrow schedule will be like what there? All right, sir. Then what will be the regular timings for this batch? That's why I'm telling you guys. The regular timing is 4:30 only. No changes only. Only because of that new members tomorrow I'm going to take what there demo class there. So because of that reason tomorrow only at 3:15 I'm going to take the session. Sir, clear or not? 3:15 is the time that tomorrow, only tomorrow. Day of tomorrow onwards, as usual, or regular session only. I am going to take now. But regular timing is 4:30 to 6. Got it or not? All right, sir. Then after a few days of time, listen carefully. Not immediately. After a few days of time, maybe after 1 month of time, after completion of object orientation, at my 6 o'clock also some course is going to be happen there. Maybe after few days of time, 1 month or 1.5 months of time, maybe for some topics, for the sake of speed up our content there, I may take parallel to them at 6 o'clock or 6 to 7:30 also, 1 or 2 topics, not every topic. Even by the time, if all of you are comfortable for understanding the content, then all I will plan for it. Otherwise, I will not plan for it here. Point is what there, as early as possible, I want to complete this course with the quality. That's why I'm thinking about the content here. Maybe that 6 o'clock class is not mandatory. Even I don't want to take your class at 6 o'clock. Your timing should be 4:30 to 6. That is fixed here at any cost now, right? That I'm going to plan for that as per the plan now. So tomorrow at what time you have to come here? 3:15. Come here at 3:15. Then I will start your content there, right? Thank you guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow at 3:15. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Minimum 3 months of time, Abhishek. Minimum 3 months of time I will take, Abhishek. Okay. It's mandatory. Minimum 3 months of time I will take it. Right? Yeah, guys. Then those who require this material, this notes there, just you can take this link, whatever the link I'm giving there. Please take this link. Through this link only we are able to get this material. All right. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see at 3:15. Right? Thank you.